Hello everyone. During this quick road assessment of Piney Point Road, we'll examine the current condition of the road and how it might affect your drive. Also, we'll attempt to uncover any potential issues that may come to our attention that might cause you concern. And, like always, in an effort to keep you as safe as possible, we will explore all facets of Piney Point Road that may require your attention as you navigate on this road. Piney Point Road is in good condition overall. However, as you can see here, during your morning drive, you may encounter a bit of commercial traffic. At the same time, drivers will experience minor issues, such as road cracks, concave manholes, road seams, road repair patches, and faded road markings. And this thoroughfare presents a number of potential hazards that require your attention, including grassy areas adjacent to the road, sidewalks that are in close proximity to street traffic, and noticeable road humps that may pose risks for some drivers. Albeit, road humps are minor, but can be felt as you drive on Piney Point Road. Drivers should be aware of the ditches along Piney Point Road, especially since there is an ongoing effort to ensure they remain functional and do not impede safe passage. Moreover, Piney Point Road is noticeably riddled with manhole covers that can be hazardous if not approached with caution. Some drivers may even find them annoying. Also, drivers will encounter frequent transitions between asphalt and concrete surfaces on Piney Point Road that can significantly impact vehicle handling. This is especially true during inclement weather conditions, which may lead to varying surface traction and visibility challenges. During wet or slippery conditions, the need for heightened driver awareness becomes even more essential. Please keep in mind to check the trip channel before you travel to your next destination. And if there is a street that you want us to assess, please mention it in the comments section on this video. One area of concern on Piney Point Road, specifically south of Memorial Drive, where the road has noticeably deteriorated. Drivers navigating this stretch will encounter potholes that can pose significant hazards, especially for those driving larger vehicles. Additionally, uneven road surfaces and multiple road seams can lead to unexpected jolts that may compromise the safety of both the driver and potentially cause issues to the driver's automobile. Furthermore, the presence of road cracks and ongoing construction zones adds to the complexity of this route, requiring heightened attention to navigate safely. If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip Channel.